A meta-analysis of 400 music studies found that listening to music can reduce anxiety, fight depression, and boost the immune system. Music rocks! Apart from these things, it can also transform your videos from a drab, lifeless drivel to highly engaging disco boogie. Anyway, ignore that bit. We'll show you what we mean. Compare these three scenes and see how the music impacts them. Each scene was identical, but it's likely you began to construct a story in your head or feel some emotion, which helped you get more involved with the content each time. And with that in mind, you can see why there might be more to adding music to your business video than picking a song you like. Because subjectiveness without reason is the enemy of great content. But that footage was cinematic and obvious. What about content like this, when it's just you and the camera? Well, music can uplift, motivate, inspire, and even entertain, which is why it works with everything. Let's cut the music from this video right now. Straight away, you should see a big difference. It's potentially less fun, we might not feel like we have the same sort of energy, and when we add more elements in the edit, they might not feel like they have the same sort of creativity. Music back, please. No. There we go. When choosing music for your video, think about the tone of the content. Is this a vlog designed to fire people up and get them motivated? Go for higher beats per minute. Is it an attempt to appeal to your viewers' more charitable side? Slow it down a little bit. Do you want to sell a product? Find something inspiring. Is that product everyday or super high tech? You should see where we're going with this. On top of all of this, the great thing about music is it can mask out some background noise, add value to production, and if you're a real crazy cat, try to make people dance. And remember, as Albert Einstein famously said, don't just pick the first song you find and say that'll do, because your video will risk losing massive impact and could end up distracting an audience. One of his lesser known quotes there. But where do I get this music from? I can't compose. Well, you don't need to. The first thing you need to do is hit that like button. Then check out this playlist right here with information on where to get tracks and the legal side of music and more. And of course, if you enjoyed this, then there's a jolly good chance that, well, you like what else we've got going, so hit subscribe and join the gang.